Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from differentiation of in the first year. The question is verify whether the following function is differentiable at 1 and 3. And the function is given this. If x less than 1, then the function takes x. If it is between 1 and 3, if not between from 1 and 3, then you have to take this function. Next, if it is x value is greater than 3, then you have to take this function. So, to find whether the function is differentiable or not, we have to do it by using limits and differentiation. How? First, you take left hand limit. Left hand limit, which is nothing but LHL. LHL implies what? Left hand side, what you will see for example, if you take an amber line, if this is 0, left hand side, if you move to left hand side, you will get negative, right? If you go to right, you will get positive, right? So the left hand limits always with negative, means limit here for 1 we are finding first. Limit x tends to 1 minus, means less than 1. Less than 1 means what is this, ma? X. And before that, let us write the derivative function for this. What is that? F dash of x is equals to, here what you will get if you derivate this x, what you will get? D by dx of x is 1. If x less than 1. Next, coming to this, what you will get? D by dx of 3 minus x. 3 minus x. 3 is constant. So 0 you will get. D by dx of x minus 1 you will get here. So minus 1 if 1 less than or equal to x less than or equals to 3. And if you derivative this, okay, better let us do the derivative here. D by dx of x is equals to 1. This first one. Next, d by dx of 3 minus d by dx of x. What you will get? This is constant, means d by dx of constant is 0. Minus d by dx of x is 1. So what is that? You will get minus 1. Next, coming to this function. D by dx of x square minus 4x plus 3. Right? This what? How to do this again? D by dx of x square minus d by dx of 4x plus d by dx of 3. Here what you will get? N into x power n minus 1. That is 2x. Means 2 power minus 1 is 1. That implies minus d by dx of 4x. 4 comes out. Then you will get here x. What you will have? 4. 4 into 1 means 4 into d by dx of x is 1. And here what you have? Constant derivation. Constant derivative is always 0. So these are the values when you differentiate you will get for these 3. So here what you will get this for this third one. What we got here? 2x minus 4 if the x value is greater than 3. Okay. Now substitute these values here. Limit x tends to 1 minus means less than 1 means what you have to take? 1, which is equals to 1. Next, right hand limit. Nothing but RHL implies what you will get? Right hand side what you will have? All positives. So plus, which is equals to limit x tends to 1 plus means more than 1 means where you will have from 1 to more than 1 till 3 you will have for this. So minus 1 which is equals to minus 1. Whenever a function is differentiable using these limits, when we can say if LHS is equals to RHL. LHL is not equal to RHL here. So f of x is not differentiable at at 1. Okay. Next what we have to check it for 3. Till now we checked it for 1. Now we have to check it for 3. Okay. Coming to LHL again, equals to limit implies limit extends to 3 minus. Yes. 3 minus means less than 3. Means this one. That only no. Here it is less than 3 and equal to 3. So less than 3 or equal to 3, you have to take this. If you comes here, it is greater than 3. It's not less than, no. So we have to take this. What you have here, differential minus 1, which is equals to minus 1. Now coming to RHL, means right hand limit, which is equals to limit extends to 3 plus. 3 plus is which is greater than 3 values. What is that? 2x minus 4. Now substitute here 3 value. In the place of x, you substitute 3. 2 into 3 minus 4 is equals to 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Here also LHL is not equal to RHL. Right? This is LHL, this is RHL. So therefore, f of x is not differentiable at 3 also. Means neither values function is differentiable. For the neither values, the function is differentiable. Okay, understood how to check whether the given function is differentiable or not at particular specific values. Okay. If you have any doubts, please specify them in the comment section. Any suggestions, any mistakes, or any doubts, anything.